All right, guys, what's up? We're back with another video today. Today we are opening up 2022 Prestige, opening two 30-card value packs. Exclusive Sunburst parallels in here, 30 cards per pack. I'm pretty sure this has probably got everything the same in here as what like the retail does. Yeah. There's drips in there, so yeah. All right, we're gonna start. We got two here. We're gonna be opening this one first. Let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. If you like our content, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Helps us out, and we greatly appreciate it. So let's get into this. Probably a whole bunch of base. We got AJ Brown, Donovan McNabb, Jacoby Myers, Callaway, George Kittle, Michael Carter, Ryan Tannehill, Patrick Queen, Trayvon Diggs, McCaffrey, Jamal Williams, Jalen Johnson, Kyle Pitts, second year, Deshaun Watson, Barry Sanders, AJ Green, Brevin Jordan, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Damian Harris, Joey Bosa. All right, now we're getting into some rookies here. We got Leo Chenal, Isaiah Spiller, Jeremy Ruckert, Romeo Dubs. Got a Sunburst parallel here of David Montgomery. We got Hassan Haskins, rookie. Spin search here, I guess, to end it out. We got Patrick Mahomes, Every Given Sunday, Prestigious Pros, Robert Quinn, Highlight Reel Joe Burrow, and then I guess like a Your Moment, Justin Jefferson. All right, let's get into this second pack here. Hunter Henry, Andre Diggs, Kenny Golladay, Fletcher Cox here, Montez Sweat, Tyler Lockett, Drew Brees, Joe Burrow, Russell Gage, Joel Bettino, Josh Allen, Javonte Williams, second year, Brian Burns, DeAndre Hopkins, Keami Faberon, Daniel Carlson, Marvin Jones Jr., Antonio Gates, Brandon Cooks, Brian Edwards. And we got rookies here. So we got Trent McDuffie, Sky Moore, Kyren Williams, Myjah Sanders, Quentin Nelson Sunburst, Alvin Kamara Sunburst. And then we got Myles Garrett Powerhouse, Jonathan Taylor Highlight Reel, Prestigious Pros Darren Waller, and then we got this here, which is going to be a Prestige Season Greetings Kenneth Walker III. Michigan State from Michigan. And then we got our kid reporter. All right, guys, that'll do it for today's video, and we'll catch you in the next one.